As you can see, I was not playing about me using and loving Shea Moisture products. And you can see I told this bottle, like, I use so much of it. Look at that. Look at that. But okay, this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Grow and Restore Hair Serum with shea butter and peppermint. And it is for natural, chemical processed, color treated, or heat styled hair. And it's for nourish, heal, and grow. They have a shampoo and conditioner along with this. So if you want to go ahead and get that whole set, then I'm with you. But here are the ingredients. There we go. These are the ingredients. And it's cruelty free. I like that it lets you know, like, if you know color looks weird. Natural ingredients may vary in color and consistency. If it irritates you, you know what I'm saying, just don't use it anymore. Heard that, you know, once you apply it on your scalp, it kind of activates your scalp. Like, it kind of gives it like that cooling, tingling sensation to your scalp, which is amazing, I feel like. And massage a few drops gently into the scalp as often as needed. Do not rinse out. Style as desired. And then you can use this as a hot oil treatment as well. I've done that before when I was getting ready to straighten my hair. I actually used this before just to give it a nice like hot oil treatment in my head. And I used a dryer. And I walked around, you know, the house. So it can kind of give it that natural heat and coolness to it. So you can see color of the cabinet heat. I did 30. I always go over. But you see it says for 5 to 15 minutes. And then you style your hair regularly after when you used it. I love this. Like, believe it or not, I haven't seen, like, okay, I read the reviews on this and I haven't seen one bad review. I haven't seen it lately. Like, I haven't seen the reviews on it because I have been using other stuff. But with this, when I first bought it, I didn't see any, you know, bad reviews about it. And it came in a cute little box. Like, it looked like it was gonna really do, like it was gonna do something, you know. Like, it came in a special box. I don't have the box anymore. Should have kept it, but it was cute. It was like a cute yellow box, and I was like, okay, this stuff is gonna do something. It did. Like, I noticed like some new glow was coming in. I was like, okay, this stuff is. But I mean, I use a lot of other products as well. But I mean, this stuff does work good, and it smells like, it smells sweet, but then it doesn't smell sweet, if that makes sense. Let me see if I can untwist. Okay, maybe I. Okay. Oh yeah, I can untwist it. First time I did that. You can kind of see what it looks like inside the bottle and what it looks like outside of it. Let me do this, screw it back on right quick, and it kind of leaves it like that oil feel type, so a little does go a long way. But if you're giving yourself a hot oil treatment, then hey, go buck wild. This was covered, so you have to cut it open it so it can come out. And see, I cut a hole, and I really didn't have any problems with it. You can just, you know, just turn it over like that and apply it to your head. I wonder if I have anything on. Okay, see, so it looks like it's not sticky, it's not watery down, and it smells good. What am I smell mostly shea butter more than anything. I mean, it smells sweet, but then it doesn't smell sweet. I said wait. When I said it smelled good, wait. Okay, I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It smells like hair products. I mean, But yeah, try this serum out. Like it works good. I noticed some new hair growth when I use this product. So she moisture got it going on. Yes, to do.